Today I'm on the Thornapple River just outside of Grand Rapids. And in this area, I've paddled just about every single body of water there is. But this is my very first time paddling this stretch from the Cascade Dam down to the Ada Dam. This is an awesome spring day to make this happen. Let's go. Andy, this sun is this is perfect.
70-degree spring day, getting out on the water, it's amazing.
I feel like it's important to mention we always have our inflatable pull string life jacket and we've got our leashes on our board. Even when we're going down places that are familiar with us, I make sure to do that. But when I'm paddling a spot like this that I've never paddled before, I want to make sure that I have all of my precautions and everything taken care of.
This is one of those like float paddles where you just kind of have to steer yourself and you can just leisurely get down the river.
The Cascade Dam to the Ada Dam is a pretty popular water trail, especially for paddle sports enthusiasts like us. A 2, 3, and maybe 4 mile paddle on paddleboards is a pretty good goal for a day. On a downriver, there's no going back to the original car. Andy almost forgot the keys to the car at the end of this paddle, and that would have been a disaster. This feels so good. A few things I did in preparation for this is I have my dry bag that's got all my supplies and my phone inside of it, and then I also have a pair of shoes for when we're done because I couldn't decide if I wanted to use my Crocs or my paddle shoes. So I've got these now. I've got those for after, and then I strap those right down to the front of my board in case I need to get in there for anything or, you know, grab a snack. This right here is Thornapple River Drive. And that pretty much means that we're entering like the lake portion of the river. And we have one big sweeping corner to make before we get to the Ada Dam. Also, this bridge right here, that's a paved path that goes along there. And I'm seeing just a ton of people riding bikes and jogging and hiking and walking. It's just a day where it feels like every single person that's outside is just having a little bit of a Sunshine Day celebration. All right, underbridge inspector. It's about as clean as an underbridge can get. That's it right there. That's the Ada Dam, so we're just about done. We like to pair our after adventure meal with the actual adventure itself. And this one is perfect because we're on the Thornapple River and then we're going to go and eat dinner at Thornapple Brewing. We are on a goal to eat a burger at every single place that we go this year. And the smash burger at Thornapple Brewing kind of comes up over and over again. So I'm pretty excited to try that.
All right, so this like truly looks like my current go-to. I mean, this looks absolutely amazing. This is my style. This is it. It's so good.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
This is one of those where it's not just the like all the accoutrements that are good, but the actual meat itself is seasoned well. Like I really like that a lot.
Being really hungry after paddling, it like is even better.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if I'd call this a paddleboard hack, but it is definitely a tip that I've utilized a lot of times in places like Grand Rapids. See, if you have an inflatable paddleboard, you can do a downriver paddle where you can go just as far as you want and then pop out at whatever next park you get to, deflate your board, and then you just call an Uber to bring yourself back. The time that we paddled into downtown Grand Rapids on the Grand River, we definitely did that, and it's an awesome way to just paddle for as long as you feel, and then as soon as you're done, just get out and continue on with your day.